was a kid, this was a free country. And I asked myself, will my children and our children and grandchildren be able to say that?
We are joining together like never before to stand up against the progressives that seek to destroy our way of life. We will not stand for it, no longer.
It is time to draw a line in the sand. Let me repeat, it is time to draw a line in the sand.
It's about the United States citizens and protecting their rights as guaranteed by our Constitution. It is now time to repeal this law.